It is very popular to use split transition in some travel vlog. In this video, we will show you how to make the split transition in Wondershare Filmora. Hey everyone, welcome to the Filmora MVP YouTube channel. Here we teach you editing tricks, filmmaking, and camera techniques. So make sure you have subscribed to our channel and also hit the notification bell to get updates on our new videos. Before we start editing, click the download link in the description box. Click on the free download option. Now, a Filmora installer is downloaded automatically. Just double-click on it, agree with the terms, and here you go! Filmora started to download and install. Once it's installed, it'll start and run automatically. First of all, drag your main transition video to the second layer of the timeline. Then drag another video to the first layer of timeline. Now double-click on Transition Video, go to Mask tab, and select this single line mask. Scroll down and click on Add to add a keyframe. Then change the X position according to your masking object. Go to the next frame, again change the X position of mask. And now just keep changing the mask frame by frame. So after successfully adding masking keyframes, your transition is ready. Let's say if you want to mask from right side, but default mask is set to left side. Then just simply click on this invert option, and now again, just keep adjusting the mask frame by frame. So we are finally done! Thank you for watching! If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up. Plus, subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon, but don't leave without sharing this video, and leave your comment below. Bye!